Okay, today is the most exciting story I've covered in a long time related to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency adoption, and that is now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, a lot of people think this is either positive or negative. I'm going to explain what's going on, and I'm going to give you my thoughts at the end. But basically, the Chicago Board of Options Exchange has released its new Bitcoin derivative contract specifications in November, with this product itself to be introduced in the market in the next few weeks. With the move, the exchange follows other financial institutions in introducing Bitcoin future products. So this is huge, and I'll tell you why it's huge. Chicago Board Options Exchange to launch Bitcoin futures, announces specifics. Okay, so this is huge for a few reasons. First of all, there's going to be they're doing it because there's a demand in the marketplace for it. So that's the first bit of news. There's demand for Bitcoin-based financial products. People want to know more about it. The price has been going up extremely high today. As of this video, it's edging up just it's trying to kiss 9,000, or maybe beyond 9,000 by the time you watch this video. But this is huge for. I mean, by the way, this is good. Where is it at? Okay. It talks about the demand for Bitcoin financial products is very high right now because of the continuous surge in the price of the number one cryptocurrency, i.e. Bitcoin. Several financial institutions have also taken a complete turnaround. This is so important for the average person. If you're watching this video and you're like, what is this crypto thing all about? Everybody says, I hear people, it seems like it's magic money. It's, no one credible is talking about it. People, you listen to people like Warren Buffett and Jamie Dimon say that it's not real. Listen to me right now. Mainstream marketplace is oftentimes wrong in the beginning. Right here, this is an important sentence. Several financial institutions have also taken a complete turnaround on their assessment of Bitcoin. Among them is Goldman Sachs right here, which is now advising its investors not to ignore Bitcoin anymore. You cannot ignore this technology. You can no longer ignore this technology. It is going mainstream with a vengeance. This is a complete about face by the investment bank, which had previously criticized the digital currency. So this is incredible news. Listen, the mainstream public is oftentimes behind. By the time everybody finds out about it, everybody's a part of it. Oftentimes, you've missed out on the most growth. I'm telling you right now, get in on this Bitcoin technology. Buy your first Bitcoin. Go to Coinbase. There's a link below. You'll get $10 and I'll get $10 when you deposit your first $100. But go to Coinbase, deposit $100 or deposit $500, deposit $1,000, whatever. Just sit on it if you want to. Just watch it. Just pay attention to it. Now, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial expert. Consider anything I say as sheer entertainment or satire. But once you own a little bit of value in Bitcoin, then you're going to start paying a little more attention to it. You can worry about investing and buying, other currencies, Ethereum and things like that later. Today, just get involved with it. Just become aware of it. Just pay attention to what is going on out there. I have covered, investments a little bit on this channel, things that I've invested in, and I also will have some more series coming up on various ways to invest in this space outside of just buying the currency. But buying the currency is the most fundamental thing that you can do, and it outperforms many other investments anyway. And it's not about just buying in. And yes, I think that you can get, the name of this channel is Crypto Wealth. I think you can make a ton of money in this space. And I think the average man and woman, the average mom and pop should be learning about this space so they don't miss out on the opportunity. If there was a cutting edge cancer treatment coming out on the market, you and I wouldn't know about it. You and I couldn't participate in it. We couldn't be made aware of it. Right now, this is cutting edge banking. This is cutting edge information management. This is Money 2.0. This is similar to Internet 2.0 all over again. This is file storage, data management, cloud storage, 2.0, 3.0 all over again. This is revolutionary technology that will touch every area of our lives one day. Start learning about it, start becoming aware of it, and now you can even invest in it, which can secure a crazy future for your family. Is that some form of a guarantee? No, but I'm highly optimistic on its future. The future of Bitcoin. So I encourage you right now that you start paying attention, start reading, start being aware of what's going on. Do not miss out on this. Now, here's my take on what I think about the Chicago Board Options Exchange. I think the Chicago Board Options Exchange is going to, when they when they create these products, there are a lot of people saying that we're going to see Bitcoin prices drop, cryptocurrency prices drop, because for the first time ever, we're going to be able to short the market. Investors, not me, I'm not planning to short the market ever, but investors will be able to short the market. That can cause price to drop. Basically means they can bet that the price will drop, and if enough of them do that, they can cause a price to drop. But I think this is actually good for price stability long term. Now, I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to have to wait and see what happens. I believe this could be good for price stability long term, and I believe this could bring a lot more money into the space. Long term, I think that takes the value up. Yes, just because you have the ability to short Google doesn't mean the price of the stock isn't sky high right now. It doesn't mean everybody goes shorting it. You have to have a reason to want to short it. So I think long term, it brings more money in this space. More people are paying attention to it. For the first time ever, mainstream investors are going to be, or not the first time ever, but through another vehicle, mainstream investors are going to be paying attention in a way they never have paid attention to before. So you're not going to want to miss out on this. Start paying attention to this. Invest in the space. Read, research, subscribe to my channel. Do whatever you can to figure out more about what's going on here. And if you have any questions for me, I'll do my best to answer them anytime. Just leave them in my comments below the videos. Thank you for watching.